What's up YouTube? It's Ken again. Thanks for stopping back by the channel. In this video, I'm deviating from working out in the garage to working inside on this Generation 1 switch. Now this is the after version, so you might be thinking, that doesn't appear to be anything wrong with it, and you would be correct. I picked this up for about $100 last Christmas, along with some Joy-Cons, and I think like a game came with it, just off Facebook Marketplace, and it was in pretty rough shape. The case itself had like a chunk missing right here, and also the rails didn't work at all, so they wouldn't read Joy-Cons. So they had to be replaced, and I figured, well, while I'm at it, I might as well just reshell it. I also replaced the digitizer here. That all said, the actual replacement of all of those parts counted as more entertainment value than instructional. I didn't have great camera angles for it. I don't work on stuff like this all that often, so I'd hate to give bad advice for anything. I'll put in the description the video that I followed, and then after this video I'll explain the mistakes that I made in a little bit of detail that I know about at least, and I'll give a breakdown of the parts that I used as well. All right, so a quick voiceover for the before and after. You can see the case cracked there, that chunk missing. Also too, the rails were already off by this point, and that's one thing to note, is that this will not be a bolt by bolt restoration either. So like I said, entertainment value only. This is the after. You can see that it's nice and clean, unlike my intro where the kids had already been playing with it for a while. I actually shot the intro of this a couple days later, but yeah, everything went well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the restoration. On the screen are the parts that I purchased, and here are their prices as of January 2025 when I placed my order. And I took some screenshots as well. This is the case here. And from the video, of course, I picked up a different backplate. I went just with the generic stock Nintendo Switch look. This was the digitizer, the left and right rail, and the double-sided repair tape. All right, so for the mistakes, I believe that this is a speaker port here, and this right here as well. And I actually had double-sided tape covering the speaker port. I could probably fix that with like an X-Acto knife, even in its condition right now, without having to reopen it or pull the screen back off, but not a big deal for the purpose that my family's using it for. I used too long of a screw here and it actually cracked the case, but I'm pretty sure that the shorter one I'm supposed to use here actually went in just fine and I haven't noticed any issues with it. You can see here that there's a screw missing. The case that the motherboard actually sits in is not the front or the back plate, and I believe that where this screw bolts into is on that case, and of course it's broken. And then there's a sticker that goes on the shiny metal back plate that I took off that I didn't need to. You can't see it in this light, but you can see the silver plate, and I don't think you're supposed to. I think that's why Nintendo put the stickers on that. That all said, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to support the channel, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and as well, if you like the channel, please consider subscribing. That really helps out. And as always, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.